It's impossible to tint this car. A customer came in looking to get their front door windows and front windshield sunshade tints. While talking to them, they revealed they wanted to get full front windshield tinted. Unfortunately, their 35 years of experience tinter had told them it's impossible to tint this car's front windshield. We took it in for a try, did accomplish the impossible thing. We got it fully tinted with our premium 90% ocean blue tint, which blocks 99% UV rays and ear radiation with giving glare reduction up to 30%. We also added the 5% sunshade. We told the customer that we couldn't tint it just to see their reaction. When they came in to pick up the car, they were shocked and happy watching the car all tinted. This is their car after the tints.